Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Sam. Alright, happy new month by the way. This is September, and I know most of us are waiting for October, November, December for the price of cryptocurrency to boom as usual. Actually that's not a guarantee, but it's a normal trend. Hopefully we'll see new all-time highs for different cryptocurrencies. Alright, so today I want to talk about something really important, especially for the newbies into cryptocurrency, because I know the FOMO will soon start. In case you don't know what FOMO means fear of missing out. I'm sure the FOMO will start anytime soon. You know, people will start coming into the crypto space when they start seeing the prices of different cryptocurrencies going up. But here's what happens to some people sometimes. You know, they buy a coin at let's say $1,000, $1,000, and then maybe a few days later, a few months later, a few weeks later, the $1,000 worth of cryptocurrency they bought is now about $1,300 or $2,000. They get excited and forget that this market is actually very volatile, and then they leave their investment, and then next thing, boom, maybe the market get crashed again, and they lose both the gain and a little bit of the capital, right? But that's what we want to learn today: how to save your investment from crashing, right? It's actually very easy. You don't need any programming skills. Just be willing to learn, right? Watch the video to the end. And for those that are watching, please you can click the button if you like the video. If you don't, thumbs down. And please also subscribe to the channel so you can get more updates about crypto generally. All right, so let's dive right into it. So this is a Binance app. I'll drop a link in the description below so you can get the app and start trading, right? So Binance is one of my favorite cryptocurrency exchange, excuse me, and they're planning on becoming a DEX means decentralized exchange, right? Okay, now to the trading. It's actually very easy, like I said, very easy to do. Okay, I'm doing an example with EOS, right? Let me keep this right here. Well, with EOS, right? So EOS slash USDT. Now, one thing you need to understand is that you know, some people set their stop loss to Bitcoin. Okay, when I say stop loss, I mean what I was saying before, that if you bought a coin for $1,000 and it gets $2,000, you can actually set a stop loss, right? A conditional sell order, and tell the system, hey, I bought this coin at $1,000, right? The coin is now whenever this coin gets to $2,000, right? Sell that coin off for me automatically. That's what conditional sell order means. All right, so that's what we're going to be checking right here. So it's actually very easy. This is one of the wallets I use um, for tutorials like this, right? So how do we do this right now? Very simple. Now, the mistake some people make is to if you come to the different trading pairs we have right here. Sorry about that. So as you can see, there are 4 trading pairs. There's BNB, which is the Binance coin, right? And there's BTC. This is the BTC market. This is Ethereum market and USDT market, right? So what the mistake some people make is to set their stop loss to BTC or Ethereum or even BNB. Now that is not really good, even though it's good. It depends on what you're trying to achieve. But as a newbie, I always advise newbies, right, to set their stop loss to USDT. Why? Because USDT was designed to always be around $1, right? So that's the way it was designed. So if these other guys they crash by 5% or 2% or 3%, this guy will remain constant, right? So if that's your coin that you bought for $1,000 that is now $2,000, if you sell it, let's assume you sold it at $1,800, you sold it to USDT, it will remain $1,800, right? But if you sell it to Ethereum and the price of Ethereum crashes, it will no longer be $1,800. The same thing with BTC, the same thing with BNB, right? So that's exactly how it works. So for newbies, set your stop loss to USDT. Right now, why? Because USDT was designed to be, it's called a stable coin. There are other stable coins, like on BitShares blockchain we have BitUSD. I think there's another one, BitCNY, that's for Chinese one. And then on Steam blockchain there's supposed to be a stable coin called Steam dollars, but Steam dollars, at the time it went up as high as about $5 to $10, right? So that's not really a stable coin if you ask me. All right, so USDT is actually the most popular stable coins right now. So stable coins are cryptocurrency that are designed to be around $1. All right, so some people call it safe haven, where you just go and hide when the market is bad. All right, so let's go to EOS USDT. Now you can do this for any cryptocurrency, right? So EOS USDT. Now what this means is that I want to set it in such a way that if or when the price of EOS starts dropping, right, the price of one EOS now is about $6.73. So what I want to do in this case, you mustn't follow this procedure, but follow the procedure, but you mustn't use the exact numbers. So what I want to do is, I want to tell the system now EOS is about $6.73. And what I want to do is, I'll tell the system, if EOS starts dropping, right, once EOS drops to, it's at 6.7 right now, so it's actually coming down this way, right? Let's assume it's dropping down this way. So once it's dropping to get to 6.6, 6.5, 6.4, 6.3, 6.2, 6.1, 6.0 before 5.9, right? So that's the way it goes. I don't know if you guys understand it this way, or I should put it this way, a number line, right? So moving this way or this way. So let's go this way. The reason why I want to choose this way is because we are setting this first one before setting the second one. So we are moving from top to bottom, right? So from 6.7 to 6 point whatever. Now the price are 6.7. Now I can tell the system, if or when the market starts crashing and it gets down to, the price gets down to 6.3, that is right here blinking where the cursor is, trigger a sell alert for me, and then set the sell price as 6.1, and then you click 100% here. Now this 100% means you're selling 100% of your crypto assets at this 6.1. That's what I can also set it to be. I said, okay, since it's coming down, I could say if or when the price gets to 6.5, sell it for me at 6.4, right? See, so you can do that. You can do that for any cryptocurrency. Let's assume the cryptocurrency you want to sell is at $100. You can say once it falls down to $99.5, sell it for me at $99. Now the beautiful part of this is that you can just set this thing and go about your normal business, and then let's assume when you're really busy and then the market starts crashing, you don't start looking for internet service. Let's assume you're in a place where there's no internet service, or start looking for who to call to help you check your account. I wonder why the person will have access to your account, or start running to go to Binance to sell. No, once you just set this, and of course you must have understood how the market works and how the prices have been fluctuating, the support and resistance of each of the cryptocurrency that you want to sell stop loss for. You must have studied that, I assumed, but if you haven't, you should. All right, so that's basically how to do it. So now for this one today, we're going to be doing let's work with 6.3, right, and then sell at 6.2. Then you can do that for 100% of the investment, 50%. But some guys work with 50%. Let me explain why. Because what if it gets down to 6.3 and then you set it off at 6.2 and then it starts going up again? That means you lose the remaining show, right? The remaining parts of the show. So what some people do is they sell half, when it's about to start crashing, so just in case it keeps crashing, and then they leave half just in case. You can accurately predict how this thing works. So you can either sell 75% of it, or 100% of it, or 50% of it, right? But setting stop loss comes with a lot of skill, if you ask me, because you just need to study how the price goes, right? So this is exactly how to do when it comes to selling them, or for buying is also the same thing, right? So the price is at $6.72, right? You can say, okay, if the price of this coin falls down to 5 point, what is close to 6, $5.5, set a buy price for me at $5. So what this thing means is, once the coin starts falling, the price of the coin starts falling, and it gets to $5, this place right here that the cost of it is right now, that is blue, will get activated, and then this other part will the coin will be sold at this other part. You can choose 75% or 100%. So these are conditional sell and buy orders, right? So it's actually very good. And of course, uh, if you're learning this for the first time, practice makes perfection. I think that's how they say it. But basically, that's how it's done. It's actually very easy. Now remember, I'm working with USDT. So if you're working with Bitcoin, you have to go and check the okay, I think, okay, it tells you the equivalent here in dollars. So that's just really good. So, well, thanks for watching. If you think this video is very informative and useful for the newbies, or you liked it, you can share it to your friends, and like the click the like button, and also subscribe to the channel, right, for more videos. All right. So thanks for watching. Peace.